What is sign? How easy is it to create a document that needs signing? Does Odoo's Sign app comply with New Zealand law? Can I SMS the signatory? Can I have many signatories for the same document? Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Excellent.
Today I'm here with Kevin and we are going to be talking about sign. So what is sign?
It's not an astrology thing. Sign is electronic signature for documents, and what Odoo have done is embed that within the Odoo application rather than needing a separate third party, and it handles all of the normal steps you would expect to go through in that process.
So how easy is it to create a document that needs signing?
Really nice and easy. Just open up the document on the screen and then you'll drag and drop fields in. This is a field requiring a signature, and then you'll say who's going to be doing the signature: customer, employee, manager, or it could be just dropping in a text field. Write your name, write your address, write comments, things like that. You can add as many fields as you want.
Does Odoo's Sign app comply with New Zealand law?
Yes, it does. So the New Zealand electronic signature law is the bit of legislation that's relevant. Odoo does comply with that. If you want more information, then Odoo has a web page on their site, odoo.com, which explains exactly what type of documents are covered by that law and therefore are compliant, and what things you're not allowed to use.
Can I SMS the signatory for a document?
There's a couple of extra layers of sort of security that you can apply to a document, and SMS is quite a nice way. If you have to sign a document, you get a text, you get a one-time code, obviously only you know, so that when you go to the document you have to enter the code in before you're allowed to sign it. It's an extra layer that just not anyone can sign as if they were you, just because they got the link to the document. Quite useful, particularly if it's an important document or quite confidential.
Can I have many signatories for the same document?
Yeah, so you can have as many as you want. Let's say it's an employment contract, it'll be signed by the new employee and by the manager. So what Odoo does is allows you to put in many signatories, define the sequence that you want those signatories to happen, and then it will route that document through that sequence so each person gets notified it's your turn to sign. So,
oh wow.
So all of that process is nicely managed for you. So why Optimise Me? We have a team of New Zealand-based business support, business consulting people, plus our technical resources are here. You're dealing with local people, providing local solutions who know the local market. We've been implementing Odoo for over 13 years. We see ourselves as your business partner. We're here for the long term, and we're not here to push you to do stuff that we don't think is going to be of value to your business. Feel free to give us a call or drop us an email, and we'd love to hear from you and have an initial conversation and see where things go from there. Thanks.